How to remove Facebook account from Instagram. If any day any of you are an Instagram user and you would like to remove your Facebook account from Instagram but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Instagram application on your mobile device. For that, you can manually scroll left or right until you find the very Instagram application, or go to the search icon on your mobile device until you find the very Instagram application. After you find Instagram, you can tap on Instagram like this, and this way Instagram will be launched. Now, after you tap on Instagram like this, now you have to go to the next option. That is, you have to go to your profile like icon on the downside, and after you go to the profile like icon on the downside, you can go to the three lines on the top and then go to the option of the settings and privacy. After that, you can tap on account center and then go to the option of profiles here. Now, after that, you can tap on the option of Facebook like this, and after you tap on the option of Facebook like this, again you can tap on Facebook like this and you can just remove it. Otherwise, you can tap on it like this and you can remove the very account from your very mobile device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.